Do not make me cut you. I don't want to keep cutting my hair. What's up, peoples? How you doing? Are you feeling good? I'm feeling pretty good. My name is Ruby, and this is not a makeup tutorial. It is the show where we look at other people's amazing work and we try and put it on our own face because, let's face it, there are no original thoughts. Today we are channeling our inner goth chick. So I have Living Dead Girl. I just threw my chest at y'all and I apologize for that. While I myself am not goth, I am not a goth, I have never claimed to be a goth, I do have a deep love and appreciation for all things gothically inclined. And is he really taking a shower right now? He is. You know what? We're just gonna roll with it. Today's video is by a woman whose name I am not going to try and pronounce because I will butcher it, but this is she right here. And she does speak Spanish, and while I am studying Spanish, I am nowhere near ready to fully interpret what she's saying. But, I mean, we're just following along with pictures anyway, so let's go. Oh, she's talking about contacts. Okay. Well, I have my own contacts. They're not white though, but my eyes are pretty. Primer. Okay, primer. First of all, let's do that. I'm so happy I finally have contacts because now I can actually see what I'm doing. What a concept. But I'm also going to take some of this. It's another, actually it's like an eye brightener, and put it on the bottom because we got bags today. Because we look tired today. My face is so red. Why does my nose look so sunburned? I promise I'm not.
Esta aquí se ve blanca, pero es como color cremita. Este clarito.
Okay, white. Do I have a white that does not have shimmer in it? Good old Coastal Scent Smoky 36 eyeshadow palette. Ah, so pretty. And just putting it everywhere. I think that is sufficiently covered, don't you think?
Pero como dice mi amiga Lechita Makeup, es a tu contentillo.
Pero.
Ok, ahora vamos a poner una sombra un poquito más café. Y eso es
más café. So that's más is more brown. Okay, we're going for a light tan color. We're just going like up in her. And you can't see anything. There we go. Now we're packing this on. I have wrinkly eyelids. Hooded eye girls, where you at?
Ahora sí ya me voy con la sombra café.
Okay, more brown. More brown. Okay. Or is it darker brown? Oh no, I just got cafe. Can I just use the same brush? I'm gonna use the same brush. And I grabbed too much product on that swipe. Son of biscuit. Now my eyeballs look dirty. I think I did too dark of a brown because hers is not that brown. Okay, so now we take, she's taking a black liner and just putting the color on. I have a good old jumbo black pencil. You know, maybe I should do this. I'll use this one and kind of outline how I want this, and then I'll go in with the jumbo and fill it in. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, now we go in with the big mama. Oh, this is so much darker. And I messed that up. What do you know? Oh, I just messed it up more. Well, son of a biscuit.
Esta brochita me costó $1 y es como que pequeñita, ¿ven?
Okay, taking the brush. I'll do this one. And he's back in the bathroom, so we're just gonna do. I always go too far out on this one. I'd be a horrible goth. I can never do a proper, like, smoky type of eye, but okay, we're moving on. Okay, now we're darkening up with a good old-fashioned black shadow. Going back to the smoky palette. I use this a lot, I'm realizing. Raccoon eyes. So she's just using the same blendy brush, but I feel like I should use one of these to pack it on, or at least get the edges. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that at least for the edges. You need to be pointier so you can match your sister. I think we're gonna have to go with that. Blendy, 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 smoke it out, smoke it out. Oh, I wish I didn't do that. Well, that's how you screw that up. You were doing so good, and then you had to go and ruin it by pulling a U. You pulled a U, Ron. Pretty decently blended, though. Delineador Blanco de la Marca Italia. I probably butchered that. That's the problem. I don't have anyone to practice Spanish with anymore. Except for the guys at work, and they talk real fast. Honestly, they don't even know I've been learning. Because wouldn't it be awesome if I got like really good and I just walked in and just started talking to them and they'd be like, oh my gosh! Alright, I don't have white liquid liner, but I have the milk pencil. So I think if I take this and load this up, then maybe I can get something similar. Wow, this looks like crap. I desperately need white liner in my life. I need, what is it called? Drug Lord. I need to get Drug Lord really bad. It looks blue. Oh my god, this is so bad. Okay, she's going in with a black underneath to help sharpen that up. I can at least do that. And I'm gonna take this tattoo liner from Kat Von D as like a sample that I had. So we're gonna do that. Kind of digging this pencil, not gonna lie. Oh, this one is an epic fail. Okay, lining the bottom lashes. This I can do. I was obsessed with lining my waterline in high school. I mean, weren't we all really when we very first got into makeup? We were just like, yes, give me all the liner. I'm aware I look crazy, but that's what she did, I swear. Take the black one. Let's get rid of some excess just in case. Oh my god, emo dream right here. Now what, my mistress of darkness? I should put the lid back on this. Okay, she's got a red and like a purpley maroon. Oh, okay, so you're taking like a purpley maroon and a red and just like making a deep red and smoking that under. Do I have something like that in this? No, I do not. Why is this flashcard there? Oh, shoot, no. Oh my god. Oh, this looks so bad. Oh, Jesus Christ on a cracker. My Chemical Romance is calling. They want their makeup back. There, I look sufficiently insane now. Alright, she just packed more black on, and you know what? Why the heck not? Moving on to the lips. So we're just going back in with the liner. Lean like a chola. Thick eyeliner in my eye. Okay, not gonna lie, that actually looks kind of good. Do you see the two different shapes of my upper lip? I don't know why it's like that. Like I have to overline one side more than the other just to get them to even out. And she does a like white cross on the bottom lip. And if this is any indication, that ain't gonna happen for us, but let's put a actual face on and let's at least make our face somewhat presentable, and then we'll have a final verdict. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh, my hair looks so good though. This is giving me such My Chem vibes. It's not even funny. Oh my god, look at this. And I'm not contoured or anything, obviously. You can see all the chubbiness. But okay. So the white obviously is kind of a bust, but I kind of dig this anyways. Kind of like it. So that is it for this episode of Not a Makeup Tutorial. It is our first attempt at a like wannabe goth look, and I'm not completely ashamed. My eye bags are so bad. I really need to figure out how to make those go away, because this ooh, that was scary. Don't look at that. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to the next one. Bye bye.